Hey guys, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and I have big news for you today. I have really enjoyed for the last few months getting my feet wet with this YouTube thing, and I've been able to create a bunch of content and do some experimenting to share Jewish recipes, kosher style lunches, healthy lunchbox ideas, and things like that with you. And then I spend a lot of time in the car in traffic and I'm just full of ideas. And so I have a lot of other activities and eco-minded things that I do with my kids and gardening that I really enjoy sharing, but maybe Little Kosher Lunch doesn't quite fit that content. So with that in mind, I am launching a new YouTube channel separate and apart from this one, which is called Melissa Shares, and that is like an open-ended place where I'm going to be posting all kinds of parenting and mommy activities that I do with my family, ideas that are just simple and easy, but maybe a little unusual that I thought would be handy to share. So I hope that you'll join me over there. I'm going to be keeping Little Kosher Lunch because I do think there's a need for, people like me, like I needed help when I was starting to pack kosher style lunches for my Jewish preschool. So I'll be keeping my videos up here, and I will periodically be having new lunch content as well as Jewish holiday food recipes for you. But I hope you'll join me over at Melissa Shares, and I'll be working on that in the upcoming months. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for that one and the notification bell, and I think it's going to be a ton of fun. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you on YouTube very soon. Bye-bye.